Hello and welcome to today's edition of 28 Days of Copilot Prompts. My name is Joel Ricketts. I'm a cloud solution architect here with Microsoft, specifically within our organization that supports the U.S. federal government. So today I'm going to show you how to create an executive briefing email with M365 Copilot. And the prompt I'm going to use is over here on the right-hand side of the screen. And I have it broken down into four different sections. So four different aspects of a good prompt is always going to contain a goal. So you can see I have a goal here for what I want to accomplish, which is drafting that executive briefing email. I have some context here on what the email is going to be about. So the context of this particular example is going to be a system outage that was experienced that impacted all users and required some coordinated troubleshooting efforts. Next, I'm going to provide Copilot a source, so where it can pull some data from within the M365 environment to reason over to provide more accurate, detailed executive briefing summary. And then finally, I'm going to give within my prompt here, I'm going to give Copilot some expectations, what I expect of Copilot to provide me. This is going to be a concise executive summary of an incident resolution. I'd like a current status of the system. I want a clear timeline of the key events, an initial root cause analysis, and then also our next steps indicating that a root cause analysis will be, or a final root cause analysis will be delivered by June 25th. Finally, I want to maintain a professional, clear, and executive appropriate tone throughout. So let's swing over to Outlook and take a look at this prompt in action. So over here in Outlook, I've got a new email message up here. And to draft my executive briefing email here with Copilot, I'm simply going to go over here and I'm going to select Copilot here right within the body of the message. I am going to paste my prompt directly into Copilot here. And then I'm just going to make a little bit of a modification here because I want to direct it towards a specific part of that source information that we talked about. I wanted to use some specific emails. So I'm going to select a couple different emails here so that it can pull that information from those emails. So I've got those two emails there for the source information. Everything else should be good to go. So to generate my email, I will simply hit the button down here to submit this prompt to Copilot, and it will start to generate my email for me. And here we go. So my email has been generated by Copilot here for me. You can see it contains all of the sections that I requested. So I'll go down here. I'll review it for accuracy just to make sure everything is accurate. It's very important when using generative AI is to go over it and make sure everything is accurate. Everything looks good, so I will select the Keep It button right down here, and my email is ready to go. So you can see there in just a few minutes, I was able to create a executive summary briefing email that otherwise could have taken me hours to create this, to pull all this information in manually and then manually draft out this email. I've saved myself a tremendous amount of time. I hope you found this demonstration useful and relevant to your day-to-day duties. I challenge you to try this prompt out. Try to take it to the next level. Can you one-up me on this prompt? Do something maybe even a little bit better, build upon it, make it a little bit cooler. So with that, thank you for your time today, and I hope you found this session useful.